Now I am going to teach you today chapter number 6, algebraic expression, operation on unlike terms. That operation is subtraction. Okay, subtraction of algebraic expressions which are in unlike terms. Okay, and there are two methods for solving problems on subtraction of the algebraic expression. First method is here to subtract an algebraic expression from another. Step 1 is change the sign of each term in the expression to be subtracted. We will change the signs of the expression which is to be subtracted. जिस एक्सप्रेशन को हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, ठीक है, किसी फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन से दूसरी एक्सप्रेशन को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, तो द साइंस ऑफ द सेकंड एक्सप्रेशन विल बी चेंज. इफ द टर्म्स आर इन पॉजिटिव विल बी नेगेटिव, इफ द टर्म्स आर इन negative will be positive and positive will be negative. Okay, now step 1 is change the sign of each term in the expression to be subtracted. Then add the two expressions. First thing is, first of all, try to understand. In some of the question you are given like this here: subtract 4pq minus 3q square minus 3p square from 3p square plus 3q minus pq. Okay, try to understand what is the problem. Okay, some students, they direct what they do, they subtract second fraction from the first. But question is like this: subtract 4pq minus 3q square minus 3p square from 3p square plus 3q square minus pq. घटाइए इस फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन को सेकंड में से. ओके, देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, which expression will be written here? This one, this expression. Okay, this expression will be written first. Then this expression will be subtracted. 3p square, you can write here in words, letters, numbers. Okay, change the sign. First of all, change the sign of the second expression. First of all, how will you write this problem here? 3p square will be written first, plus 3q square minus pq will be subtracted. Here 4pq minus 3q square minus 3p square. ओके, जब भी फ्रॉम के बाद जो भी एक्सप्रेशन आता है, दैट विल बी रिटन फर्स्ट. Okay, then subtraction is here, you will put subtract sign here. Now first step is, first of all, we will change the signs of each term of the second expression. Okay, second expression. तो ये what is this? plus 4q क्या बन जाएगा? ये minus 4pq क्या बन जाएगा? ये माइनस, पहले इसको लिख लेंगे फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन को एज इट इज, माइनस 4pq. ओके, जो प्लस 4pq था वो क्या बन जाएगा? माइनस 4pq. माइनस 3q स्क्वायर विल बिकम प्लस 3q स्क्वायर, and again minus 3p square is there, it will become plus 3p square. Now same steps of addition. Combine like terms and add the two expressions. expression now. The next step is add the two expressions. 3p square is here, 3p square and 3p square is here also. Okay, and combining like terms. Okay, then after that 3q square, 3q square. Where is 3q square in the second expression here? Here, this is plus 3q square. Okay, plus 3q square. Then minus pq, minus pq in the first expression, and in the second expression it is minus 4pq. It is minus 4pq. In short, we can say if outside the bracket it is negative sign, if outside there is minus sign, the signs of each term will be changed. The signs of each term will be changed. If it is plus, it will become minus. If it is minus, it will become plus. If it is minus again, it is plus. Then, if there is minus sign outside the bracket, minus sign is there outside the bracket, then signs of each term will be changed. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Okay. Now add 3p square plus 3p square will become 6p square. 3p square plus 3p square will become 6 because coefficient of p square is 3 and here again 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Now combine q square. Coefficient of first q square is 3. Coefficient of other q square is again 3. 3 and 3, 6. 6q square. 6q square. Then minus 1. It is 1pq. It is 1pq. Minus 1pq. Coefficient of pq is 1. Minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4. Minus 5pq. Minus 5pq. I have told if no coefficient of there is invariable, then it is understood that is 1. That is 1. Now in this way you will solve problems on subtraction. Okay. Then comes other method, that is vertical method. Vertical method. In vertical method you will place the like terms in columns and add after changing the signs of the second expression. And then you will add after changing the sign of the second expression. How do we do? Let's start. Here, question is, first term here it will be written 3p square plus, this is vertical method. Okay, this is vertical method. Vertical method. Okay. If you will do the practice of these sums, you will be perfect in solving. Okay. Just follow the tricks how to solve the problems or based on addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression. Now this expression will be written first. Now this is to be subtracted. Okay. We will write in right column here 4pq. Where is pq? Here it will be written 4pq. That is plus. No sign is there. It is understood it is plus. Then minus 3q square. Minus 3q square. Okay. Then minus 3p square. Minus 3p square. Minus 3p square. Okay. Now listen carefully. Here, when second expression is written, then sign of this expression will be, the sign of these each term will be changed. If this is minus 3p square, it will be plus 3p square. इसको क्या कंसीडर करना है? Plus 3p square. अब this is minus, it will be understood कि this is plus 3q square. It is plus 3q square. It is plus, this plus 4pq is there, and 4pq will be considered as minus 4pq. Minus, this sign will be considered as minus. Now, when you proceed, 3p square plus this 3p square. Okay, this is not now minus 3p, this is plus 3p. When we subtract, we just change the sign of the second expression. Then add 3p square plus 3p square. It will become 6p square. Again, this is, इसके sign change नहीं करने first के, okay? No need to change the sign of the first expression. 3q square. Now this is not minus, this is plus. This is plus 3q square. 3q square plus 3q square, 6q square. Okay? Then minus 1pq minus 4pq. This is not now plus 4pq. This is minus. Its sign is now be considered minus. Subtraction. Minus 4pq. Now this is minus 4pq. This is minus 5pq. Okay? In this way, you will solve the problem either by horizontal method or by vertical method as per your choice. Note down if you want to note down. हमने साइन चेंज करने हैं ये सेकंड एक्सप्रेशन में. ओके, सेकंड एक्सप्रेशन में जो साइन है दैट शुड बी चेंज्ड. ओके, देन as I have taught you in my earlier video, in the previous video. Okay, you will solve exercise which one? This is I think 6.P, question number 1 and 2, totally based on this addition and subtraction of the algebraic expressions which are in unlike term. Thank you.